studio, day number 1. It's Monday, New York City, February 23rd, and it snowed a lot last night. Walking over to the studio now, got the snow pants on, trucking along here. Gonna set up the studio today and try to get it ready for the week. And look how deep. That's my footprint. I think you can see it. Made it to the studio. Not necessarily the first day I would have expected with the snow, but made it in. Got some stuff to do today. Just wanted to get here and basically just set up a little bit. Kind of a mess right now, so gonna unbox this, unpack some of the stuff I brought over, and get set up so it's more of a actual space to work in. Day 1 tour walkthrough. All right, first thing, this is command center, desk, fridge. Spend a good amount of my time here. This is kind of the main thing I set up today. This is a standing desk, so I probably won't put anything right up here, but I might put like a calendar right here. Taking a step back here towards the entrance, got the window there, a little natural light. This area, outlet to the left, storage area. So I'm gonna put a kind of tool, rolling tool utility drawer here. To the left, I am thinking of some sort of bookshelf. Okay, so this wall right here, I might throw a bulletin board or a like a cork board situation. Taking a step over here, this corner dedicated to my nothing concrete inventory right now. Pretty out of the way. Good corner there. I'll probably do like a hook on the wall here for jackets and stuff. Some nothing concrete stuff, label printer, scale, stuff like that. And then this corner I'm really gonna use for painting and art. Got a good amount of space on the wall here. This wall too will be available on the floor. So we'll keep this as an open space. Yeah, that's day 1 at the studio. You know, feels good. Feels exciting. Definitely a lot to do to move in, more than I thought. Like I really don't have a ton here to begin with, so we'll really just be organizing and getting storage containers basically. So I think I'm going to Lowe's tomorrow. There's Lowe's like a block away from here, which is sweet. And then there's an IKEA maybe like 25 minutes away walking. So tomorrow, Tuesday, going to order some stuff, get things situated more. But yeah, successful first day. Excited to document this. I honestly don't know how I'm going to document this. I've done a few sort of like vlogs moving to the studio, day 1 at the studio. I want to document as much as possible. I don't want it to get in the way of other stuff I'm doing. So trying to balance that out. But like my main priority right now is just get this space set up where I can come in every day, have a good routine, have a place to create and be creative. I've had a week off of work since leaving my full-time job. I've had a week off. This is my first week back sort of in a routine. So really prioritizing routine, get settled in the space, and then sort of figure out a schedule or just kind of a cadence for a vlog or documenting this. But yeah, that's sort of my plan, and see you when I see you. Bye.